Y'all gonna tell some scary stories or something around this thing?
I don't know.
Yeah? Yeah? You got a message?
I got one. Travis.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening?
Myhouse TV.
Damn.
Myhouse. 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 It's Myhouse TV.
Hey, Myhouse TV. Hey, Takaya. We out here getting ready for this bonfire, kids' night, friends over. What are you making?
Oreo balls.
Oreo balls? Alright, we're going to freeze them, and then we're going to put what on them? White chocolate. Alright, got my mac and cheese going, potatoes, got my meat going.
You see me?
Yeah, I can see now. Hey, Travis, how are you?
Good.
Got some friends coming over?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're about to get some marshmallows and stuff like that from, you know, your friends from Mars Middle School. Hey! We got our stuff going on. The wind took some stuff. We're about to have a bonfire. Yeah. Yeah, you guys got to get a jacket on. So, we're about to have this, and this. You can help after with the white chocolate and dip, okay? So, you can dip the white chocolate. We got to freeze those. No. Alright. I'll be back, Myhouse TV. Hey, Myhouse TV. So, today, like I was saying earlier, we are having a bonfire, kind of a friends night, and I am cooking my famous mac and cheese. I can tell you everything, it's a secret. So, I got my potatoes. We're going to have sloppy joes, some hot dogs. What else are we going to have? Baked beans. So yeah, so that's what we're doing right now. Look at how much mac and cheese I got going on in here. So it's gonna be great. Alright, so check y'all out in a little bit. Right, Kaya, you got rolling these little Oreo balls into some white chocolate. I see you. Hey, Rihanna, nice to see you. Alright, we're gonna get some dessert, more dessert on top of our marshmallows and stuff. I'm over here making this sloppy joe and stuff. Yes. We are ready for s'mores and snacks. Yep, that's how we do it on Myhouse TV. Starting to make, these are sloppy joes rolled up in croissants with cheese. You guys, these are amazing. Amazing. Travis, where'd you go? Where did you go?
What's up, Myhouse TV? Hey, tonight we're about to have a bonfire, man. Hey, we're about to have Trav friends from his school, from his football team come over and have a nice, good old time. Let me show you some of this food that Mom done cooked and some of these desserts. Alright, so we got the grounded up turkey because we're trying to stay away from the hamburger thing, man. We got the turkey in there with the biscuit. And the cheese in there. Got the macaroni and cheese for sure. Got the hot dogs. What she got back here? Okay, she got the potatoes in there. Got the potatoes in there. Got some more of that ground turkey in there. And got the baked beans. Look at the dessert that she made, man. Look at that. Man, I think it's like crushed up Oreos or something like that. Dipped in chocolate, white chocolate or something like that. But yep, so that's the food we got going on. Let's go in the back and see what Takaya got her friends over as well. We got the drinks right there. Got the kids back there jumping on the trampoline. What's up? Y'all say what's up to Myhouse TV. Y'all say what's up. Yeah. Yeah, so they back here doing their little thing back here. Look at them. Oh man, they crazy. We got the little tiny pit right here. I'm gonna get that going. I'm gonna get these chairs going over here. Actually, I might just take this back in the house. Get these chairs out. Let's go see a trap I'm doing in the front yard. They out here playing some football. Look at these kids. Football time. Clean up that poop, boy. You missing poop. You missing poop. Look at them. These kids out here. Y'all on camera. Y'all say what's up to my house TV?
What's up?
What y'all about to play a game? Y'all gonna play a game?
I can't see Alan's car. Get out of the street.
Alan say he coming?
Oh, they got two people in the front. Watch out, it's gonna be
It's getting dark, people. This bonfire about to go down. Hey, cars coming. I'm about to go back there and get that thing lit up. This kid say litty. Get that thing litty.
Hey, there's a horse not moving by me.
Oh, they on camera. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Dang, QB. So somebody was wide open, you missed him? Come on, QB. Oh, yeah, I think we need to change your quarterbacks.
Oh, heck no, Chepe. You can't even catch. All right, come on. Come on, we're going to do it again. Yeah, Chino, you got to defend. Let me guard you. Don't let him go.
Zach, you throw.
No, you're over there. No, Zach is going to throw it further than he's spinning.
This kid's.
Hi. Block him, block him, block. Chino.
Dang, QB. Alright, Trav up. Yeah. Oh my gosh.
On the football, he went like this.
No, I didn't. I went like this. Hey, I even saw. Hey, Travis. Travis. You went like this, right?
Yeah, but
I
I
saw
like
it.
this. Yes, right?
No.
Nah, I'm gonna guard Chepe. Let me guard Chepe. No, I'm getting right on you.
He's running from the back and then all the way.
Oh man. Alright, look at this matchup.
Yeah, he already knows your route.
Uh-oh.
I was laughing.
Dang, QB.
I was laughing.
DJ friends coming over.
Hey, look.
Say what's up to my house TV.
What's up, man?
No, to my house TV, not me. Say what's up my house TV.
What's up, my house TV? This is Cam live.
Say what's up my house TV.
What's up, my house TV?
I'm saved your life. He just saved your life.
I could have turned back in here.
Getting that fire going. You say hi guys. Hey. Getting that bonfire going. I'm gonna cut this thing here on too real quick. Alright, got that going. These kids don't came out. Yeah.
Which one you want to jump over here?
Yeah, and then they all ran.
Yeah, right here.
I'll do what you think.
Y'all got all the snacks, got all the s'mores. Y'all help yourself to the drinks.
Who's going down the street to get those, or across the street getting those sticks? I'll do it.
I'll get some sticks for the s'mores.
There's across the street some, and then there's some You guys can go. True. And then it turns on fire.
Y'all know y'all gonna be on YouTube, right?
Yeah. What is it gonna be called? What?
Huh? I don't know. What you want me to call it?
I don't know. Travis Bonfire.
Travis Bonfire.
Travis friend.
Travis Bonfire.
I have more friends than you.
Travis got friends.
No, Travis Bonfire.
Travis Bonfire.
You're my friends, man.
Y'all gonna tell some scary stories or something around this thing?
I don't know.
Yeah? Yeah?
I got a Mexican scary story.
You got a Mexican story?
I got one. Travis.
No.
Dang, bro.
Hey, I got one. This one with the scary acre. I was running down the field. I was rolling.
You fell?
Yeah. I was like in the middle. This dude was in the front of me.
The house on the hill was the scariest.
Not even. Oh, the
shower. The temple was funny. But the castle was just
Alan.
Oh yeah, the shower. The shower. No. That was so
Dude, she was
like looking at you.
right behind me. Tony.
They would follow you.
Yeah, that was in the woods. Bro, remember the woods? The dude with the entrance on.
They wouldn't even follow. You would just run.
Hey, and then all of you guys are so scared. I can't even go to the freaking entrance.
I had to go first. The temple was the no, you didn't. You're lying. I just had him. I told them to put their hand around me and I would go first. But I'm still gonna squeeze them. I told you I would go first. They went up. I'm like, no, I'm gonna go first. You have to hold me.
No. One time I went to a haunted house with my eyes closed. I was like, they put my order with his hand.
Pumpkin patch.
Hey, you know the bed when it was moved with the bed?
Where that
I
thing?
closed my eyes and then
Bro, I would always do my eyes. I would just keep walking. No, besides that is.
Yeah, I was laughing at
Eileen was always next to Travis.
Yeah, and then Travis, you made Eileen fall.
You loud me.
That was Alan.
Because I begged it.
How did I make her fall? I was already at the entrance.
It was him then.
I was already running.
And then you were running. We were running together.
I was dipping. Did you guys ever go to Mr. Venom before? Yeah. I was scared to go down the slide.
We made friends.
Yeah, we made friends.
Where?
I'll give you.
He had a chainsaw.
I'm trying
He had a chainsaw.
Yeah, he had a chainsaw. We made him as a friend.
We were going one of the
I'm telling him I'm gonna Hey, Alan was the one that known me. He was like, give me your clothes.
You come to me. You come to me. I come to you. If mutual. I'm gonna give you your hair. I'll give you 4 hands and 2 toes for your hair.
He was like, guess what I have? I have 3 toes. And then I asked him, what do you think? He's like,
why you have 6 children? Chino is the scariest out of us. No.
for real?
No, Chino isn't that scared. Who is the scariest though? That's scary. I'm saying. Who's scared most? Eileen.
Yeah, you didn't even go in the castle.
You're not scared.
Dude, everyone tried to push their phone like, oh.
Bro, Chino got me mad because he kept pushing us.
I was laughing at all of you guys. That's not even
Oh, the guy called me dumb, so I'm like, y'all got Star Trek. He was like, just go.
like, you got hands?
Y'all got heads. Fresh
Oh yeah, you was like, come in the store like that in your hand.
Hey, Zach, how did he call me dumb again? How did he call me dumb?
Oh, because you were just like, you got that.
And like, everybody here for you is
And
smart.
then the one that was pushing us out with the chainsaw, you said, you were going the wrong way. He's like, it's over here, you little dum-dum. They were like, who are you calling dum-dum? Yeah, that one, dum-dum.
Yeah, bro, we already know. I was
It was like, maybe you would throw it.
what else?
That scary acres is like for little kids.
Yeah. Except that I was on the hill. I was scared. I was scared.
Me and Alan went first.
No, you only went with me the first one. The first one, then Jose. And then Jose got me the last 2.
I know. Y'all can't see the colorful fire.
Gino is pushing all of us.
Some color in it.
Eileen fell? Yeah. Look. She fell in a dirt.
Oh, damn.
You got that blue fire.
Because someone threw a bag in there. Someone threw a bag in there? No.
You see Giuseppe stick for his marshmallow? Yeah, that's what you doing.
She took mine. No, we we traded. What you mean? She was the littlest.
Where's the little skinny one?
Look, that one's good for my phone.
Alan, this your big old stick? This Alan big old stick. Yee! We got a wizard one.
Oh God, look! Take it back up there.
Oh, my.
I say that word. I like her. I like her. Just like her.
I like her already.
No, you don't. She was talking last time. You're talking about like girls. Like, what do you see in girls? Like,
What y'all say?
stop looking at titties. You guys thought those were cool as much. Like, stop looking at titties.
Oh, probably, yeah. It is getting
Calm down, purple now. Make it purple. Hey, it's purple.
That's time.
How do y'all mean to hate that?
Huh? Uh-oh, big five coming. Woo! Yeah! Yeah!
No, I'm not trying to bring the rest of my eyebrows off. You already did?
You already know that, Jeffy, you already know.
I went back down. Oh, yeah. Man, I know. No, how you got the best?
Not you gonna tear one, you gonna see the shit on your face.
Would you add me one and stuff with you?
Yeah, that shit's good. It's all
Wait,
hot
talking,
game
bro.
till you gotta light it next
Yellow.
That's
orange.
There's yellow right there.
Let's make brown. Hey, let's make brown.
Just put some chocolate.
Travis.
Put
Oh.
some chocolate inside.
I'm gonna watch that video and it's gonna be like, BB.
We watched the video already.
Oh, you did. Hey, you did.
We watched the video. It's not even gonna be on there.
No, it's gonna say age restriction acquired.
And then it's gonna say headphone users.
Headphone users beware.
They left the fire. Ain't nobody over here. Wasting up my propane. Oh, you almost fell out. You almost fell out. Oh yeah.
I got it.
Give me Zach. I'm getting a break.
Woo! Alan, you got my ball.
Oh my God. These kids.
Get him. Yes, it is. I'm trying to make it.
I'm gonna stop. Somebody else my hand.
How could you punch me? I got his leg.
I can't move.
I got his arm. I got his arm. Hey, Zach, take a break. Zach, take a break. I can't move. Zach, take a break. Where's that live? Zach, take a break.
Oh, Giuseppe's coming in.
Zach,
Go with Giuseppe. I like you. Take a break. Alexia, take a break.
Dang, look at Jimmy. He's like, I can't breathe. Oh, no. Like an extra.
Hey, get him.
Alright, let's go.
Is your hand clean?
Everybody get jumping.
I feel like you made that up. Lie to me to my face. See what I'm talking about?
You want me to do 2 at a time?
Yeah, I want 2 of them. We're gonna make this shit work. Okay. Don't put this shit on your video, you're gonna be mad.
It's already on there now.
The old bitch that kept saying shit at the party.
No, it's gonna be called grown up keeping it real.
I feel like, look, I feel like the sellout. Put the chocolate on the ground. Alright, here we go. Hey, tell me when that shit coming. Don't fuck my face up.
Hold up. You want? Wait, is that 2?
But do you want it? You gotta know how you want it though.
You want me to get a burn? Okay.
Let's go! Hey, my hot dog's burnt. Make this shit work. Just tell me when you coming because I'm real life scared. Hey, blow on that shit before you bring it to the fridge. It better not have no fire when you come back over here. We both gonna burn. Let's go. All right, let's go. I'm ready. I'm ready. Let's go. Let's go. I'm ready. Let's go. Let's go. Wait. Wait. Amber, you gotta eat that. Put it right here. Right here. Put it right here. Amber, you gotta You burn me. No more. Oh, you got insurance. You better have insurance. My finger is fucked up. You better have insurance. I'm leaving. Go get my kid. Go get my kid. I'm leaving.
Amber. Why are you scared? I'm only a 12-year-old girl, and I'm getting yelled at by a grown woman that is my mom.
Amber, you missed the whole marshmallow there.
Yeah, your marshmallow right here. Yeah, you ain't even take no marshmallow with you.
No, he made me drop it.
No, your marshmallow right here.
The marshmallow's on the stick.
It's still on the stick. You just took the burnt off of it and left. You just took the top coat and left.
Hey, burn around when you up, you got wait a minute. I don't want my chocolate. I just want to get butthole. You like that butthole. I'm ready.
Okay, she's ready for
With that one?
No, you need
it.
You need
I need another one.
You gotta take that one off.
Amber, you don't get another one.
Hey, it's too many kids in our business. Let's go.
Amber, you don't get one.
You're
screaming. No, you don't get one. You're screaming.
Your butthole hurt. We got a bigger problem than damn store.
I like it burnt.
Let's go.
Oh, no, you don't want mine. Amber, you don't need another one.
Hey, go play with the butthole. I'm
Don't play with the butthole.
Let's go. I'm ready. No, I'm ready. Okay, wait.
All right, it's ready. It's ready. Oh yeah.
Miss Minor,
Oh yeah.
all my things are red.
Oh, you just messed that all up.
Let's go left here. I'm going to the house. It's not fun.
Oh my God.
Are you the mama?
Hey, you owe. Make this shit work. You owe. Let's go.
I'm only 12.
You gonna want Hey, for the movie, sometimes you have to be responsible and step up and make things work. Let's go. Give me another graham cracker.
Okay.
I am mad about this. She does not know how to do anything.
She's really good.
I'm gonna die waiting for you. Okay, let's go. Put me in the game, coach. Let's go.
Basketball, football.
All right, we ready. All right.
Oh my gosh, you are horrible at this.
She just got the burn part.
Hey, I need the burn part.
I don't understand that. I don't
Oh my
understand
God.
that.
It's alright. Oh my god.
Burn that part too, and I'll take that too.
Okay.
Wait, I got a kid in the house.
Here's one.
Okay, let me get the first part. Fuck it, give me that. Let's make this shit work.
Oh my gosh.
Well, how you snuck in here though? How you got here?
He knocked on the door and I let him in.
Oh.
Are you staying? I let him in.
Like I was filming, I'd seen a blue jacket, but I thought it was Jason. And then when Travis came out, it was like, somebody's new here. And I was like, oh.
I forgot the chocolate. It don't work like that.
Wait, where you at? Let's go.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. Zach left his phone out.
Amber, with my picture. I need one.
Dad, where we at?
Zach!
Hold out. You said it like I was gonna put it away. One more time for the one time. Come on, Zach. Yeah. Where's that? Get it together, Zach. Come on. One time for the one time. Bring it in.
Is that a Snapchat?
I was fucking up. I was still there fat. Hey, now you better post that and send them to me. Where was you at 10 minutes ago, Lexi? Aha! I win! Yeah, Southampton.
Look at these kids. Look at these kids.
They beat Central.
Oh my God.
Wait, what's the problem? Don't bite my shit. Don't you bite my
God.
shit.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, this one had a really
That shit hot, ain't it?
Yeah. My mom, she got like one of those clown masks and she scared my little sister. My little sister went like this.
What are these kids doing down here?
Hey, turn it off.
What y'all doing?
Zach is in a beauty.
Kicking the button just
What?
God, y'all
Y'all probably stretched it out.
y'all
You
deep
guys
in
stretched
here.
it out.
Dang.
Jeppe pretty
Y'all
much
deep in here.
Jeppe was stretching
But
it
I'm
out.
telling the motor
No, it was both. Y'all were pulling my
Got the
shirt.
purchase.
Oh yeah.
Y'all shot it, dude.
Got
She
the
put
board.
her neck over- She put her neck over us.
Oh my. Man, you finna hurt yourself.
Yeah, I went like no, not even.
Jeppe was like,
Hey, Travis.
hey, Giuseppe, don't piss on me.
Do it.
Hey, Giuseppe, don't piss on me.
Move the shoes.
Put who shoes like this? Cause I'm actually about to take them. Who shoes like this? Cause I'm about to take them.
Watch out.
What about them?
I'm gonna take them.
Those are my go-to shoes. They're all messed up.
Hey, hold on. I got
That thing's
it.
clean now.
Watch out.
He's gonna get his head back.
Walk on stilts.
You know, he's a clown.
Hey.
You gonna try? Hey, you gonna try out for the circuit?
I'm gonna walk all the way back. Hey, who's trying to sleep with me in the closet?
Not even you.
Hey,
Hey,
us three. I'm gonna lay down. I'm gonna lay down a beer, bro.
no, bro, you're gonna break it. No, I'm gonna lay down right here.
No, I want a beer. No, do I fit? No, I gotta fit.
No, you can't. I don't.
I'm gonna read right here.
Hey.
Oh my God.
Hey, and then he ended up eating it.
Bro, I wonder if I can still fit my old helmet.
These are all pants. Bro, check this.
Hey, Chepe, watch your mouth.
Hey, bro, you can fit on these, huh?
Your voice is cracking so much.
Who's?
Chepe, like.
Because he's talking too much. Jeff's like Micah. Talk a lot.
No, at school he just sits like that.
Travis.
Yeah.
What is this?
Where's your pee bottle? Get your pee bottle. Oh, he's hiding.
You guys are disgusting.
Oh, this way. This way he got another pee bottle in there. Oh, this is where he hide his.
They all put them in there.
That's where y'all hide y'all trash at, huh? It's some way back there too. Yeah, I know, but he got trash back there. Every time
That's gross.
when I tell him to go clean up his room, he must put his trash in there. I don't never look in here. Okay. Appreciate that, Alan. Thanks for the thank you for the good spot.
You called him now, bro. That's
Appreciate that. I appreciate that. Now I know. Now I know where to look.
over here too.
Yeah, yeah, he always hiding stuff under there. He got.
That's really messed up.
Bro, that's a PS2.
Hey, I want to sleep in here. Can I sleep in there?
Yeah.
Hey, this is a PS2 controller.
Hey,
who's trying to sleep with me down there?
PS3.
Who's a PS2?
That's PS3.
Hey, you trying to
PS2.
That's PS3. No, they're not.
Travis,
They have a cord.
Bro,
I slept under there last time.
I got a bag of chips.
Travis, you
is old too.
What is this?
Shit, they're too small.
Maybe a water.
Maybe water. No,
He said maybe a water.
Yeah, I got water in there.
What? Maybe I want to Jamaica.
Bro, I have a freaking teddy bear. I have freaking 2 teddy bears in my room.
They're trying to figure out where they sleeping at.
I'm sleeping right here. And Giuseppe right here.
Yeah, me and Giuseppe.
Alan said he moving all that stuff at the top and he's sleeping up there.
Well, you better put it back in the
Alexi's
lady.
right here. Alexi right here.
What?
Alexis
That's
right
me
there.
right now. I'm sleeping up here. If it breaks, then I don't care. I'm sleeping up here.
We
got everybody up here?
Yeah, I'll sleep too.
Alright, listen up, listen up.
Listen up. Listen up. I am going to pick 2 people. Okay, you're going to be it. Alright?
Yeah, these work.
You only get to go to that corner. And then you can go a little bit down in this circle. Okay, but listen. Don't try. You got to be careful going into people's yards because people don't like people, okay? So you got to pick and choose where you're spot. Really? Really? You going to talk over me? Alright. I'm going to pick 2 people. You're going to be the it people. You have to find those people. And every time. Listen. You got to listen. Every time you find somebody, you have to take their necklace or their bracelet. And that person, if you get tagged, you have to come to the porch. The person with the most colorful things wins.
I want to win.
Okay?
I want to win.
Yo. You can't go past the circle. You can't go past the circle. And you have to stay out of people's yard. Oh my gosh. Who's it? Why everybody going the same way? Alright.
So you guys got to go opposite directions. You got to get the most. Whoever gets the most.
No. Y'all go play right here.
That one. We went to the photo all together.
You guys can have toys and stuff. We're right here. Right here. We're right here.
I saw him running out.
Yup. They're giving themselves away. You got caught?
People under the truck.
Oh, it's no base? Oh, yeah, hide and seek. You when you. Yeah, it does have a base.
But we never said there's no base.
Travis was hiding by the tire. We was hiding like this. I called your name.
I seen y'all over there.
If they took your bracelet or necklace, then you go to the porch.
Yeah, if
That's
they
what
took
it was.
your necklace.
Yeah, that's what it was.
Necklace, you still in?
Yeah,
We only have one.
We have 2. Brother, go to the back.
Oh my gosh. Who's running? Somebody's running.
There's no base. You can go get them.
Yeah, it's no base. You can just get them.
You just had to take this picture.
Yeah, you just got to tag them. It's no base.
You got none.
I got mine to Zach. I got
Yeah, it's no base.
That's how I grew up.
I got 3.
Oh my god.
I got 3.
Hey, Alex. It's our time. You know what?
Yeah, Travis is over there.
They have
I got it.
tell you how
They
to
didn't
do it.
understand the rules.
No, they don't.
Alan's getting glow sticks. He's supposed to be at the porch because he got caught. He's getting glow sticks. He think he's it now.
That is hilarious. Which one is that?
Amber.
All right, time's up. Time's up.
Can I be it?
All right, so Zach won this first round.
Right,
Zach,
right.
I'll give you your prize at the end.
All right, all right.
All right, everybody, if you get your necklace back. Get your necklace back.
Yeah, everybody get a glow stick. Everybody get a glow stick.
I want a bracelet. Who got bracelet?
All right, about to start a new game. You two got to go
Oh
in.
yeah, you guys don't need a necklace. Give somebody your necklace.
How come you didn't go inside?
Go, 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 go!
Alright, they're scattering out. Who just threw that thing under there?
Who threw it under there?
Somebody threw that glow thing under there.
Where? Who threw that? It's right where?
Yours on glow. You gotta get a necklace.
Come here.
Yeah.
You mean the one you threw under the bed? No. Oh,
Yeah, yeah.
No, it wasn't me. It was Giuseppe.
Take this, Giuseppe. Give me that bracelet.
Alright, let's do it. Let's go, let's go. She caught somebody already? Uh-oh! Oh! You fell! You fell! Oh, Giuseppe got caught. Oh, y'all gone. Oh, they gone. Uh-oh! You can't go down the street! Oh my God. Oh! Uh-oh! Oh, you're not catching her. Ah! You could have put them burners on, Rihanna.
I went too far.
Van.
Uh-oh. Travis right there. Watch out for Travis. Who you got? Who's laying on the ground? Oh man, that was good though. Oh! Gotta get that necklace up. You gotta get that necklace up. Uh-oh. 3 seconds. Alright, time's up. Alright, time's up. Y'all come this way.
In fact, I have your guys' stuff later, so don't worry, okay? Alright.
Hey! I see music. Oh no.
That's all right. You
Little Mexican cannot run.
good.
Little Mexican cannot run.
Somebody
Y'all got necklaces? You got one?
Well, we're going another round?
The girls are in.
want at least 2 of
These ones, right?
Uh-oh, get him! Get him! Get him! Oh, get him! You got. Oh my, good one, good one.
I got one. Try was hiding right there.
He was hot one. Oh, he's gone. Uh-oh. 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 Get him. Get him. Uh-oh. Get out the road, out the road, out the road. Uh-oh.
Alright, so we need more, so we're gonna try this again.
I got Alexa.
Alright, we're gonna do it again. So what we're noticing is y'all drifting a little too far. To the point where we gotta be able to keep up with y'all. I mean, they do. Y'all disappear. I mean, I'll fight for y'all, but y'all going, y'all going. So we got from, instead of y'all drifting up, hey, if you're talking, you can't listen. Okay, there we go. So we're still fine. Oh, hold on, where we at? Bring it in. So we're still fine with the stop sign because we can see you down this way. But we're only gonna let you go as far as that light. Because we can't see nothing past that light. We still gotta be able to make
Yep,
sure
the
y'all
truck.
okay?
Yep.
No backyard. I'm not pulling nobody from nobody's backyard. Y'all know the backyard looks like stop playing.
And then the guy said something.
Front yard. Okay, front yard is for the most part. I can't knock you for it. Hold on. The same people that are it are still it, but we're gonna have a secret this time.
Yeah, secret. Shh, they'll keep
If
it up.
you're talking, you can't listen. Hey, we're gonna have a secret this time.
Secret.
Don't ask me what it is. If I told you it wasn't a secret, we're gonna have the same four. What you it, baby?
No, it's 3.
No?
3.
Okay, we're gonna say the same 3 it. You it? Okay, we got necklace. That's why. Everybody else besides these 4 should have a necklace. Everybody's got a necklace? Okay, we're gonna put a twist in this one. So, lights, stop sign, only front yard.
Unless it's my backyard.
What's the secret? If it was a secret, how am I tell you? How am I tell you? Why did I tell you it wasn't a secret?
You just said it was a secret. Why'd you tell us a secret?
Yeah, there is a secret, but if I told you a secret, y'all real scary. Y'all scared to look in? Go!
Hey, can we go this way?
You're not gonna fit under there.
Oh my God. What about the Jeep in the yard? The Jeep in the yard? Can you fit under there? No?
They're back here! They're back here! Oh, no.
Hey, somebody go on the other side. Somebody go over the gate. Oh yeah, Brooklyn over there. Okay, good. Yeah, stay over there, Brooklyn. They're gonna jump the gate. Did you get somebody?
Gotcha. Give me your bracelet.
Uh-oh, get that bracelet.
Give me that. I know somebody in the garage.
Somebody in the garage?
I hear somebody.
Uh-oh.
Tag.
Who you got? Who you got?
I don't know, but I tagged him. She got me.
Oh, man.
He was just sitting there like,
Is it back there? Nobody back there?
got you. Give me that.
Oh my God.
I saw the jacket. What's up, y'all?
Keep going. Keep going. Keep finding them.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Get him. Get him. Oh. 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 Oh, somebody done touched somebody's car. Somebody. Uh-oh. Who's down there? Oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Dang. Dang. Did you set the people alarm off? Did you set the people alarm off?
No, I was behind one of the other cars. I was behind this car.
Woo! Give up that necklace. The truck wasn't going nowhere.
Oh, right now.
Huh?
Yeah, I got 2.
On the roof?
I got a girl.
Hey, they jumping fences.
They're on the roof.
They jump-
They hit them.
I don't know how they didn't see him. They were making so much noise up there.
Oh.
They're on the
Oh, that
roof.
was on this roof?
They're on the roof.
Oh.
They go on the stuff where you have on the side.
Oh, okay.
I got on there once.
On the roof?
Yeah.
Dang.
Yeah, but you.
Dang. Time's up. Dang, Mom. Did you get somebody? No. Dang, you ain't get nobody, Mom? How you gonna make be in a twist in the secret and you ain't get nobody? Dang it.
So, Big Trav out here. He's supposed to be catching them. Y'all got caught? Y'all got caught? Y'all got... How many you got?
I was like Pac-Man eating the ghost.
Don't play no more.
They scared. Trav! Trav! There's one! There's Alan! Go! Go! Dad, you just buffed it. You just buffed it. Just fell. Oh my gosh. Who are we waiting on? Oh man.
Dude, he's too fast. He's too fast.
Don't play. We go back to our $5 foot race and call it a night. I feel like y'all should do that. Watch out! Watch out! Watch out! Watch out! Oh! Oh!
Oh! Uh-oh. What we got? Uh-oh. Oh! My. Oh! 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 Who's on the ground? Oh! 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 Oh, both of y'all was down. We had 2 people down.
And he still lost.
Go!
Boy, you run cricket, dude.
Yeah, why you ran in front of him? He ran right in front of you. Alright, people, so the kids did bonfire, racing, all that good stuff.
I think I think we only missed, like, Christopher went home. I don't think anybody else went home. Oh, Alexa went home because she was the only girl, but 2 people?
Yeah, I think only 2 people.
I think only 2 kids went home, so everybody else is done. So guess who gets to cook in the morning?
Oh, man.
Me. Probably just pancakes and eggs.
Yeah.
As long as they eat.
Yeah.
I ain't got no bacon.
So I'm gonna go down there and wrap this thing up, see how the kids, how these boys enjoyed the bonfire. Alright, here we go. Alright, y'all. We about to end this video, so let's wrap it up. How did y'all like the bonfire?
Good.
Was it pretty good?
Yeah, it was good.
Yeah. Yeah.
You know it was hot.
Yeah, it was good.
You already know I beat everybody in the race.
You liked it? The bonfire was good?
Yeah, beat me. You already know.
Boy, you can't even run. You run like this.
I don't care. Okay, I still beat you.
Yeah, right.
I still beat you.
Man. So y'all, so what y'all think? Y'all think we should do another one of these?
Yeah.
Do another. All right. So maybe we'll get another one going. Go on one of these weekends. All right. So y'all gotta say bye to My House TV.
Myhouse TV.
Alright, see ya.
Like and subscribe.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, like and subscribe, guys. Come on. Myhouse TV.
Alright, Myhouse TV, this is the aftermath. I'm about to go down there and videotape them while they sleep. TV. Just wanted to give y'all a little bonus. Hey, the kids was up to probably like 4 or 5 o'clock this morning. So, hey, that was the aftermath. See you next time on My House TV. Peace.